Hello, this is Fred from mortgageloanmodificationinfo.com. Wanted to do a quick video to give you an idea of three main benefits of doing a mortgage modification and why it's so important these days with what's going on in the economy. Now, one of the biggest reasons why people choose to do a mortgage modification and why it's been gaining steam is that it helps you to avoid or prevent a foreclosure. Some of the traditional methods of helping people alleviate that issue, like refinancing a mortgage or trying to sell their house, aren't very effective these days because, one, on the refinancing end, lenders have really tightened up their credit policies and have stopped the lending that they have been doing even just a year or two ago. So that option for many people is just no longer available because those loans are not being given to people anymore. As far as selling your home is concerned, with the way that the real estate market has gone in many areas of the country over the last few years, it's just difficult to be able to sell it at a price that you'll be actually able to that somebody will be able to purchase for, because a lot of people are upside down in their homes, and for a number of reasons, the local economies are down, so houses are just not selling in general. So that option is not a viable option for many people these days. So mortgage modification is one way that you can be able to avoid those type of scenarios. Another reason why mortgage modification is very important is that in some situations it can help you actually lower the payments of your current mortgage. And a couple ways that is possible: that you can negotiate with the lender to reduce the interest rate. They could recalculate or reamortize the mortgage over a longer term. And what I mean by that is, if you have, let's say for instance, you bought a house 3 years ago, you have 27 years left on a 30-year mortgage, and one way that they can extend that out is just going back from a 27-year mortgage and extending that back out to a 30-year mortgage to help you lower those payments. It could be also in the form of a principal reduction, where if you owe $200,000 on a house, maybe they will forgive 20,000 of that to again bring those payments in line to where something is going to be more affordable. So again, mortgage modification can be very, very beneficial in that way. Another way where it's going to help tremendously for a lot of people, because one of the biggest reasons why the real estate market and the mortgage market collapsed is when the rates were low a few years ago, a lot of people were jumping on the adjustable rate mortgages, getting 3-year adjustable rates, 5-year adjustable rates, because the rates were just so attractive at the time. They were able to get into larger houses because the payments were so much lower. But now that we're 3 and 5 years down the pipe from when the refinance boom started, now people are starting to have their arms adjust, their adjustable rates mortgages adjust, and those rates are going up pretty significantly. So in the economy right now, where people are kind of fighting tooth and nail just to make ends meet, and now all of a sudden they're going to be forced with a $300 or $400 or $500 increase monthly on their mortgage, is just not something that a lot of people can do. Uh, they were already close with the way their personal budgets were in the beginning, and so this is again a benefit of being able to negotiate with the lender to have them modify the terms of the loan to so that you can prevent having to go through a foreclosure proceedings, and save a little bit of that on your credit as well. So, and those were the main things that I wanted to kind of point out with what you can do with mortgage loan modifications. So if you want to get more information on the process and how you could apply for that and how you can have somebody help you negotiate with your lender so that you can get the best possible terms, please visit mortgageloanmodificationinfo.com, and you'll be able to get some additional information there and also see how you can sign up to get a free consultation for somebody that can help you learn how to modify your mortgage to get better terms and avoid foreclosure, and be able to stay in your home with payment terms that are probably more beneficial than what you're facing right now. So that's all for now. Thank you much, and I hope you found this very informal.